This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joanne Sweeney PLLC. Stunning single-family home that features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a den and a split floor plan with a lake view. The open-air kitchen with mosaic backsplash makes entertaining in the great room and the oversized lanai pleasure for family and friends. The great room opens up to a huge screen lanai with pond view. Master bedroom includes shower, garden tub, and his and her walk-in closets. The guest wing has pocket doors for privacy and has 2 guest rooms. Ceramic tile in a diagonal setup throughout the home. The exterior of this beautiful property features mature landscaping, brick pavers for the driveway in the lanai, water softener and filtration system, and screen garage entryway. Located in Ventura Village, approximately 2 miles from Manasota Beach, close to golf courses, restaurants, entertainment, and shopping. The community offers a heated pool and clubhouse for their special events and is a great place to bring you and your family. Come and enjoy your new home in paradise. For more information, review the details below.